Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much first of all for giving so much love to my eOffice videos. I am sure my videos are clarifying your doubts, giving providing learning to all of you for with related to subject that is eOffice. This is an important topic on frequently asked questions in eOffice. Whenever we are working in eOffice, there are some questions which come up to our mind. So what I have tried to put those questions in 50 questions to start with and divided them into two parts, part 1 and part 2, because the video was going a little more lengthier. So in this part 1, I'll cover 25 questions. So part 2 will be another set of 25 questions. I request you to please watch the video till the end and do support the channel by subscribing to the channel. I see many of you like and learn from my video but do not subscribe. That's what the YouTube analytics shows me. So I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos in the office. So let's get started with question number 1. And what is the most appropriate way of writing eOffice? Yeah, the correct answer is E smaller and O capital and office. That is, E is for electronic and O is for office. So E smaller, office. Next question is, what is the full form of eOffice? It is electronic office. The answer is A, not the electrical, electromagnetic, electronic official. These are just names given in options. What is the link to open eOffice live server? It is of course eoffice.gov.in, and I'll just move to the server and show you the government website as well. This is the, yeah, we are there. This is eOffice Digital Workplace. This is government website, NIC website of the eOffice. You can see the products, various products which are here: eFile, knowledge management, the CAMS model, leave model, tour models, and leave management model. Everything is there. There are certain downloads. You can go and download movies and everything, the Hindi working videos, etc. The eOffice book is also there. There are too many things you can explore this website. It gives also the option of training functions, how many number of trainings they have done, right? This is the website of government, right? Next question is, what is the product in eOffice? It is the file management system. The answer is B, which deals with the receipts, which deal with movement of files, which deals with diarizing of files. Everything is there in the file management system. The other videos, you can just check into my videos to know more about the file management system. Then eOffice is developed by whom? It is developed by NIC, that is National Informatics Center of Government of India. The answer is true. eFile is the other name of which eOffice module? See, I showed you these are the various products, and eFile is one of the products of this is eFile. It is one of the products, that is file management system module. You can see the workflow, how from entering a paper into the office and to the movement of the entire paper is shown in this mechanism, and then decisions are taken through electronic mode, that is eOffice. Next question, we come to 7th question, KMS. This is the another module of eOffice. It stands for the knowledge management system. This module is very important. We'll go to products. I'll show you KMS. KMS is the knowledge management system or the repository system where every kind of files, documents, policies, forms, guidelines, the annual confidential reports, the acts, the circulars and manuals can be kept, and very easily these are circulated within the office premises through the KMS portal. I'll show it in my login as well. See, let me log in first. This is my company's login. There's some network issue. I hope you all have seen my other videos on eOffice. Till the time it is logging, we can have that word. I'm putting the description of the eOffice playlist in the description box. Link of the playlist in the description box. I request you to please go through and have even more, learnings on the eOffice videos. Yeah. So you can see this is the knowledge management system. If I click on it, this notice board and the recent documents and the information given, what are there in my inboxes, what central docs are available, company wide, the corporate policies and everything is there in this knowledge management system which is there, right? So I'll go back to the file management system wherein we work in terms of movement of files, receipts, everything. Okay. Next question will be uh, Dash of eOffice is a powerful tool for internal communications and sharing of information. Yes, this is collaboration and messaging service. That is the option is D. We'll go to website and see government portfolio. It is CAMS, that is collaboration and messaging platform. Right now we are not using this much. We are into the file management system because in the initial stages of development it's important to have a movement of files which is going on through the eOffice. So this is one system wherein every kind of messaging in within the office and giving alerts and having workspaces and connecting through social media, everything mail, everything will be possible through this product of eOffice. Next, eLeave is a workflow-based system that automates the leave application and approval process. Yes, the answer is true. This particular product of eOffice is very helpful in providing an HR solution to the company of the entire leave management module is governed by this eLeave system. The applying of leave, the approval of leaves, notifications, reports, etc. Next is it possible to access our data which is uploaded in the portal anytime, anywhere in eOffice? The answer is yes. Yes. Whatever data is uploaded in eOffice, it can be accessed anywhere. You only need an eOffice login and a password, and whatever data shall be there, it shall be accessible very easily. Next question, can we delete a receipt attached in eOffice file if the file has already been moved in eOffice? Now, this is an important question. The question says, I repeat the question, it says that can we delete a receipt attached in eOffice file if the file has been moved? For example, I move, there is some, maybe this is a file and there is some, for example, some receipt is being attached here. If there is any receipt attached here, the question is that if this file is being moved, see, can we delete a receipt attached in e-file if the file has been moved in eOffice? Means if I have sent this, if I have attached a receipt and send the entire file to someone other than my eOffice desk, and if that person has already opened the file, okay, if he has not opened, we can pull back. This option everybody is not but knowing it. But if the person has opened the file in which the receipt was there, you will not be able to detach those receipts. It is like a simple file, hard copy file, that once a paper is put in the file, this is the beauty of eOffice, that that paper cannot be removed. It shall always be there as long as the file has been moved. If the file is with you, that means if the file is with the generator, the initiator, then they can add a number of papers and they can delete number of papers. But if the file is moved from one table to the other, that file paper cannot be removed from the file. That receipt cannot be removed. So the answer is no. We cannot delete a receipt attached in eOffice file if the file has been moved in eOffice. Okay, moving to the next question, the question number 12. We can search for any file or document in eOffice with the help of search bar provided at the dash corner of the portal. So let's see, where is the search bar? This is the search bar. So it comes to the top right corner of the, so it comes here, the search bar. So what will be the right answer? Yes, the answer is B, that is top right corner of the portal. Next question. IMS is a dash service where user can send and receive messages to other users for some quick action or a reminder. This messaging service is available in eOffice and it is called instant messaging. Instant messaging service. 14th question is a space where user can get summary of its available receipts, files, messages, etc. and have a brief look of the pending task is called a dash. It's of course a dashboard. This is my dashboard which gives a summary of all the files. Say I go to the dashboard. This will give me, if I go to my home page, just a second. If I go to my home, see, this will give me a summary of what are the papers available, what are there in the file, then my contacts, my services, and any notifications. See, there is one notification which is pending, there is one notification, everything is available. So this is called my dashboard. Question number 15. What type of notifications come in the notification tabs? Let's see what kind of notifications come in the notifications tab. I click on this. It's showing me about my files which I have parked, any dispatch follow-ups, any files in the inbox. Everything is there in the notification. So new file sent to you, sent to me, for example, what has come in my inbox, any messages, any subscribed documents. The answer is all of the above, right? So notification tab is used to get all kinds of notification. This is the notification tab. It is used to get all kind of information. 16th is, can we delete a created file in eOffice? The answer is no. Once the file has been created in eOffice, once you create a new file from here, from create new option, if you create this file will be permanently created in eOffice in your login. It will not be deleted. Only you can go back to the NIC to get these files deleted. Or even the administrator does not have that power to delete these files. So make sure when you are making a file, it is genuine file and not a test file. Question number 17 says, Dash is a module which comprises of sections which are interdependent on each other and manages the official workflow of the entire life cycle of a document which is received by the organization, receipts, files, dispatch, and reports. Yes, you're correct. The correct answer is file management system. I showed you in the government portal as well. See, if we go to e-file, that is file management system, we see the entire workflow. See, this is the entire workflow of how the file, a DAC is received and it is being processed. The action has been taken by putting up a file, creating into a file, putting it as a receipt, taking action, and then completing the file. So that process, that entire system is called a file management system. We move on to next question, question number 18. Which are the different e-file submodules? What are the various submodules available in e-file? Let's see. This is my e-file and these are the various submodules: receipts, files, migration, dispatch, digital signature, settings, notification, and ext department. So of course the receipt, files, dispatch, setting, notification, the answer is all of the above. Dash CRU is where the DAC is received. It is also called diary and dispatch, receive, and issue. So that place is called Central Registry Unit. Question number 20. A DAC or a document uploaded in e-file is called a, this is very simple. Whatever paper we upload in eOffice through this browse and diarise is called a receipt. Yes, the answer is correct. It is C, receipt. How many PDFs can be uploaded in a receipt at a time? Of course, only one PDF can be uploaded. See, if I have to upload here a file, I can upload only one file at a time and not more than one PDF. If we have many pages, the same pages can be combined in one PDF and only then one PDF can be uploaded in receipts. Next question, question number 22. What is the maximum size of PDF that can be uploaded? Yes, the correct answer is 20 MB. You cannot upload a document more than 20 MB. You can see it is written here also, upload only PDF up to 20 MB. More than 20 MB, it will not be uploaded. It will show you an error. Question number 23. The main difference between searchable and non-searchable PDF is that searchable PDF allows selecting and copying the content, while non-searchable do not allow selection and copying of the current content. Of course, this is true. So we have to make some PDFs like there are certain PDFs which we click as a photograph and convert into PDF. So that is a non-searchable PDF. Whereas if we are converting a Word file into a PDF document, that is a searchable PDF. So this is the difference between searchable and non-searchable PDF. So if there is any text which is written in a searchable PDF, means a PDF which has been converted from Word file or an Excel that has been made, then it can be searched from the search option in the eOffice. From here we can search those PDFs, text in the PDFs as well. But if there is some PDF which has been made from photographs which are non-searchable, so this eOffice will not be able to search the content which is written in that PDF. So the idea is that whenever you upload PDFs, you upload such PDFs which are searchable, right? Next question, 24th question is, we must always take printouts of the files and keep it safe in PC. Of course, the answer is no. eOffice is the other name for paperless office. So if you are downloading papers and keeping it in your office and files printouts, then there is no point of using eOffice. In eOffice, the entire document is saved and kept for future purpose. So you must not take printouts of the file. Question number 25 goes, what is the full form of TOC? The answer is correct. It is table of contents. So what are the table of contents? I'll show you. It is the papers which we attach along with the files. See, this is the files. And if I go to one file, for example, this file test non-executive, this is TOC. It is table of contents. Table of contents shows what are the papers which I have attached along with my file, the contents of all the papers which are there in my file. So guys, this is part 1 of the video where I have covered 25 questions, simple questions. When we work, there are some doubts which are coming. So please like the video and share the videos in your office for more such learnings if you really appreciate that. And please subscribe to my channel for press the bell icon for more such notifications. I do some videos other than eOffice also, like these are certain learnings from my life to all. If you whatever comes to my mind, I just click and go ahead. So please support, give your love to the channel, and do like, share and subscribe. Okay, for the part 2 is coming up, that also you can see. Okay, take care, stay blessed, bye bye, see you.